And then we did a contemporary a cappella piece called Jolene. This group, I like to be able to do contemporary a cappella songs with them, which includes someone that needs to be doing beatboxing. So Benny this year learned how to beatbox for the first time. And then we need to have a really strong bass section. And then everybody needs to be really independent with their parts and know how to hold their part kind of by themselves.
Please don't take it